Hi guys, another video here on the C10. So today is going to be a pretty short video, but it's a pretty big thing that's happening. I'm about to drive the truck to the body shop for the first time in a couple of years and have the hood fitted that's all been repaired and painted. So without further ado, let's crack on with getting to the body shop. Painters with no roof, no hood on. So, yeah, it feels a bit strange driving it like this. Can't judge where the corners of the front are quite as easy. But, yeah, got some funny looks on my way here. But I'm nearly there now, so yeah, just about to have the bonnet put on. Right then, I'm back from the body shop. Hood's fitted. It looks like a complete truck again. So yeah, let me spin this camera around and show you what it looks like. There we have it, back together. Really happy with this. It's come out really well. I mean, I'm not surprised. Howard Brothers have done like all the paint that I've had done on this, and they've done a brilliant job on all of it. So yeah, I've just got a few jobs left to do really. Well, say a few, there's loads, but there's wiper arms to put on. I've got to fit one of the washer jets, and then while I was driving it up to have the bonnet, to have the hood fitted, one of my brake calipers has started sticking and it's running not great. It's like a bad misfire. So there's more things to do on it, but really happy with how it's looking now. Pretty much a usable truck again. Just a shame it's towards the end of the year when the weather's not so great, but yeah, pretty much back together. Alright, if you're still here, thanks for watching. I'm sure there'll be plenty more videos coming on the truck. There's still, you know, plenty left to do on it. I'm part way through doing a video in a minute about repairing the roof on it, so that'll probably be the next one to come out. The Landy is still here, so there's always work needs doing to that old thing, so I'm sure there'll be another one on that at some point. Yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all the usual stuff, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.